Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Reels from Facebook. So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here. And after that, you have to click on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right side corner, okay, here. So just click on there, and after that, you have to just go to the Reels, right? And after that, you can see all the Reels here. And basically, you have to click on the profile icon which is on the top right side corner. Just click on there, and after that you have to make sure that here you will find the like reels and my reels, and basically you will not find any option where you can just turn off the reels. So basically reels is inbuilt feature in the Facebook and Instagram and you cannot remove it. So but then also if you want to remove it, then you have to click on the three dots which is on the bottom right side corner, and after that you have to click on hide reels, okay, and you have to just keep doing in the all of the reels, right? And basically you have to do it in the every reels option where you find it. So you have to again click on here, and after that you have to click on hide reels. In this way, after doing it for the continuously many times, you will come to a situation in a place where you will not able to find any reels on Facebook. So Facebook will stop suggesting you any reels. So this is very easy guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.